how to fix the latest Instagram new update problems. To fix new update problems on Instagram that you're facing, so let's say you updated the Instagram app to the latest version. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa. Refresh the Instagram app. Now, if the app is still not loading up properly, it could be due to some temporary junk files. So long press the Instagram app icon on Android. Then on any Android, you'll actually find the I button that will take you to the app info page. On iPhones, you have to just offload the app. When you're here, go to the storage tab, and here you can see cache files. Tap on clear cache, and if you want, you can also clear the data, which will reset the app and log you out of your account, so you have to re-log in again. Then again, lastly, go to your Play Store or App Store, check for the Instagram update again, because the previous update might have had some bugs and they might have rolled out a new update to fix it. So try to check again if it is updated to the latest version, and it should hopefully solve the problem. Thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.